African Thunderstorm by David Rubadiri. From the west, clouds come hurrying with the wind, turning sharply here and there like a plague of locusts, whirling, tossing up things on its tail like a madman chasing nothing. Pregnant clouds ride stately on its back, gathering to perch on hills like dark sinister wings. The wind whistles by, and trees bend to let it pass. In the village, screams of delighted children toss and turn in the din of the whirling wind. Women, babies clinging on their backs, dart about, in and out, madly. The wind whirls by, whilst trees bend to let it pass. Clothes wave like tattered flags, flying off to expose dangling breasts as jagged, blinding flashes rumble, tremble, and crack amidst the smell of fired smoke and the pelting march of the storm.